Before embarking on the lessons of the course, I'd like to digress for a moment to talk about the term MOC, which you'll be hearing a lot during the course. MOC stands for My Own Creation. It refers to original Lego builds made by creators all around the world. You'll hear me using this term a lot, so it was important to start with this definition. So let's talk about strategy. The strategy we're going to follow in the BRICKSBIZ training program follows 5 simple steps. The first step is to select the Lego MOCs you are going to monetize. You will choose which of your own Lego creations have the best potential to attract leads and, of course, to generate sales. Don't worry, I'll help you make your choice by giving you concrete criteria to determine the sales potential of your creations and therefore to know which one you should start with. The second step is to produce, i.e. to create professional building instructions for the Lego creation as you have selected. Using the BRICKSBIZ training program, you will learn step-by-step how to create a 3D model from your Lego MOCs. You will then learn how to transform this model into professional building instructions. Whether you already know how to create instructions or you're a complete beginner, you'll learn everything you need to create instruction booklets that look as good as the ones found inside Lego boxes. The third step is to sell. You'll learn how to monetize your work, selling building instructions or ready-to-build kits through several channels. The best restaurant in the world is nothing if its potential customers don't even know it exists. So you'll be learning lots of techniques for getting the word out about your new content. You'll also learn how to target the people who want to buy your creations via social networks and other acquisition channels that are sometimes less well known. And if you're not comfortable selling your work, I'm also going to teach you how you can earn money by giving your creations away for free to your community. It's a bit counterintuitive, but you'll see that once I've explained it, it'll all seem very straightforward. The fourth step is to automate and expand your business. Become faster at producing content and increase your business tenfold. You will learn techniques to increase your productivity throughout the marketing cycle of your building instructions and kits, thanks to automation. You will also learn how to develop your business and boost your growth and therefore your income by optimizing your content on social networks or by following the best practices that will be explained to you. Finally, the fifth and last step is to repeat. Build up your skills with several advanced techniques and by interacting with other creators in the BRICKSBIZ community. You'll be able to draw on a community of experts who have undergone the same quality training as you, but who have their own creativity and artistic flair. This will help you achieve your goals as quickly as possible. You'll also have access to replays of numerous live sessions, enabling you to perfect your knowledge and learn ever more relevant and up-to-date techniques. And you can also use BRICKSBIZ to identify potential partners to work with or for. If you're interested in working for another Lego MOC creator, I'll also be giving you tons of tips during this final week to enable you to contact them professionally, offer them a partnership, and sell products around your MOCs jointly. As a conclusion to this video, let's recap the highlights of the BRICKSBIZ strategy. Number 1. Select. You choose the Lego MOCs you want to market. Number 2. Produce. You generate professional building instructions and a 3D model of the MOCs you want to sell. Number 3. Sell. You let your audience know about your building instructions and ready-to-build kits, and you sell. Number 4. Automate. You upgrade your skills to speed up your process and to be able to create more and more building instructions faster and faster. Which brings us to point number 5. Repeat. You iterate the process that allows you to maximize your revenues. I'll see you in the next video to concretely get started on our BRICKSBIZ journey.
This video was taken from the BRICKSBIZ training course. If you'd like to discover the full richness of this training course and learn how to create and develop a business around your Lego, you can follow the link that appears just below this video. You'll be able to join a community of experts and generate your first dollars in less than 4 weeks. As for me, I'll see you in a new free video on the BRICKSBIZ YouTube channel. You can watch the video by clicking on the link on the screen.